Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to solve the final exam paper questions came in Purvanchal University 2015, and the program is write a program to find sum of given series, that is even series up to nth term. Okay guys, so I am also providing different year final questions, final exam question program solution. So please check it out, and all those link is available in video description. Even for this tutorial, the code I will write, I will put those code on the Deep Codec Guru website, and the link will be provided in video description. And if you really like my work, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, give big thumbs up and share this video with other learners. Okay guys, so let's start with program, and if you have any doubt at end of the video, please don't hesitate to ask the question. Even if you have any other program and you want solution for that, post that question in comment section. I will pick that question and solve for you. Okay, so this is the program where we have to find the sum of given series, even series up to nth term. So first we have to make plan, and we have to take the nth value from user. Then after we have to do summation of the even series up to nth element, not nth element like up to 10, not up to 10, means you have to 10 element in that series. 10 means up to, means 10 element in that series, like that you have to do. Okay, I hope I am clear with it. Now let's get started with programming. I am going to also explain line by line the code. So to take input, what we have to do, we have to declare one variable n, and we have to also calculate sum, so s equal to 0 initially, and we have also needed of one counter, so put I, and we also need one temporary value, so we can do the program very easily. I will show you what is use of t. This is temporary variable I am declaring. Now I am going to ask the user to give the nth term. Okay, so enter nth term. Okay, make it looking better, terms for series. So this is just printing, but how to take user input, I hope you know well. We can use scanf, right? So we are going to use scanf percentile d ampersand n, so that reading number is done. And now what I have to do, I have to do the sum of even series. Okay, so how you can do, we have to do one loop for I equal to 1. From 1 we will start, so we can find like we can find those that number, that series number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? So if we start from 1, we can just multiply with 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4 as we counter increment, 3 into 2 is 6, 4 into 2 is 8. So we can easily find this element. That's why I am starting from 1, and I will go to I is less than equal to, as I have started from 1, and I plus plus. Okay, what next I will do, I will store that value in the temporary variable t. So at first iteration the element is 2, in second I become 2, so 2 into 2 is 4, in third it will become 3 into 2 is 6, so like that element I will get. And where I will add this element, I will add this element is equal to a s equal to s plus t. Even I can remove this third variable and do it. How you can do, just it is very easy. Let me remove it and show you. So just I will remove it and do it. Okay, so this I am removing, so the code will be much more short for you. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so this, even I will remove this bracket, and here actually if we don't give this brackets, then your answer might not be correct. Okay, so let's see. printf, and what we are going to print, we will put in the same format, so it will look much more better. Okay, so we will write like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, well, the sum of given series up to what number, up to percentile d. So I will mention here nth term, up to that term is how much, is percentile d. Well, so that n term is n and the sum is s. So this is all about this programming. Let me execute it and show you the output. So let me give what I will give. Okay, let me give 1, up to 1. Okay, so 1 is 2, right? The first element is 2. One element sum is 2. You can see second element means up to second, 2 plus 4 is 6. Up to 4. You can see up to 4 means this is 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. You can see like that you can do this program, and I hope you got it. And still if you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. I will be always there to help you out and explain you the code. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you really like my content, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your classmate and other learner too. And please don't forget to give big thumbs up. It will motivate me to come up with more educational video like this. Okay, thanks a lot again. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with our channel. Happy learning.